Good morning. It is a beautiful day and Happy New Year to everybody. It's good to see everybody back. It is the year of the profitable trade. That's what I believe that is the official year in the Chinese zodiac calendar. Um, yeah, Happy New Year. So let's talk about what's going on. Well, first, let's talk about events going on here. Options trading for stock traders. So, if you're an active stock trader, this course will explain to you why you shouldn't be, all right, and why you should be an option trader. And then we're also going to go through some other fun stuff. So, should be good, really good. And again, if you're an Option Pit Live subscriber, this is free. So, it's a good time to be had by all. Now, let's talk about the market. It is, we had kind of a silly sell-off on Wednesday. The market kind of tanked, and vol exploded for what amounted to almost no reason. I mean, we're down 20, but I'm having trouble seeing where we get a 19 VIX if there was any liquidity. Fact of the matter is that was more caused by what amounts to a total lack of liquidity than anything else. So let's take a look at the vol here. The vol kind of popped, but it's we got a couple of decent moves from early December that are in here, but it's not like there's been a lot of volatility lately. Things aren't moving around that much. Now, as you can see, as we open here, the Dow's up big. The S&P, little weaker. All right. Where's that weakness coming from? Well, it's coming from, Apple's down. And so is some of the oil stocks. So you got oil down a little bit, Apple down big. And that's going to be enough to push things around. All right. I mean, a move like that would be, that is definitely going to be enough. Now, you can see oil vol still up. Oil keeps just dying. USO down below 20, WTI threatening to break 50. Just an all-in-all screwy day. So, if ExxonMobil is going to be that, the move in Apple is really what's driving down the Dow. And, it's odd where that's coming from. Oil should be helpful to them. Alibaba, since touching like 110, has just been off. So a lot of the fancy tech names are getting beat, whereas some of the which is why the Nasdaq is, although the Nasdaq's still doing okay. The SPX RUT and Nasdaq are all in line. It's the Dow that's the big performer today, and that's because it doesn't have Apple in it. And so I don't know. Look for that. That was a nice move in Apple. I think you might see a bounce today. We might be looking at the lows on the day right now, and maybe the high on the VIX. I just don't see a lot of reasons for us to be selling, and I think there's a very good chance for vol to really collapse today. If we catch a little bit more of a bid, they're going to take this thing right back down, and then on Monday. There's not a lot of time left in VIX expiration, so yeah, and there's not a lot of time. Oh, look at that! Natural gas up 50 cents all of a sudden. So yeah, just some funky things going on today, but I think there's a liquidity issue today. That should undry up on Monday or Tuesday at the latest. So I think we'll go back to maybe a more regular market then. Till then, I expect vol to be in today. I think the market's going to meander higher. Like I said, I do think we just saw the lows of the day. All right, and then again, if you got questions, you can call us 888-TRADE-01. You can email me, mark@optionpit.com, and yeah, go to optionpit.com/events or optionpit.com/stocks and check out this course. It's just $97 for 3+ hours. I mean, it doesn't get any cheaper than that. And use code INSIDER and you can take 20% off. All right, folks, on that note, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon.